So guys, for the first method, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you want to click on Settings. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. And now you want to click on Delete Browsing Data. You want to set the time range to all time. And then you want to select both cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select cookies and cache and then click on Delete Data. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you're going to click on Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. And then once you're on this, if you have any extensions that you think may be causing a problem, then you could either disable it or you can remove it. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to Search and type in Date and Time Settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have Set Time automatically turned on. Now, you're going to scroll down and then click on Sync Now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next method, you're going to head over to Search and type in View Network Connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on Properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then once you're on this, make sure that you have Obtain an IP address automatically selected. And now under it, you're going to select Obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So you just want to keep this on the default options and then click on OK. See if that works for you. For the last method, you're going to head over to Search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on Enter. And now you're going to type in netsh winsock reset. Click on Enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.